chorus to this song goes, I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. So that chorus comes around a bunch of times. I'm sure you'll pick it up. I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. If you can sing that with us. I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. Very good. My closets are all full of things made out of thread, but every time I go to clean them out, I build another shelf instead. 'Cause I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. When I go on an overnight, all that I ever bring is just my favorite pillow and 14 bags, just a few essential things. My piano if I'm in the mood, my computer for that novel to be, 3 books, oil paints, and a portable loom, and my goldfish for company. 'Cause I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. My children are all grown, my grandchildren are too, but that old crib's still in pretty good shape. It doesn't take up much room, 'cause I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. I have jars of bottles and bags, old clothes I'm saving for rags. I got divorced 10 years ago. He lives out back, you never know, 'cause I have trouble letting go. Things cling to me, you know. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might need it someday blues. I've got those better save it 'cause you never know, you might